This is the Wurth panel clamp kit. Each kit comes in a dedicated case with our unique Wurth pliers to guarantee easy handling and two different sizes of panel fixing clamps. Eight 0 to 2.5mm clamps to fix two panels together. 8 2.5 to 5mm clamps to fix 2 to 3 panels together, or for when using thicker gauge steel. To use, load a clamp into the specially designed pliers and squeeze to open. Choose the position on the panel and release the clamp from the pliers. Using Wurth panel fixing clamps instead of Tex screws creates a saving in time of up to 35 minutes per panel. Before welding panels together, it is crucial to check the panel gaps. The Wurth ammo bag is the perfect tool to easily adjust the position of the panel. If you're not happy with the positioning, quickly replace the clamps and check again.